Let's begin by looking at the landmark case of People of the Philippines versus Rogelio Bayotas. Decided in 1994, this case posed a unique legal question. What happens when an accused dies while their criminal conviction is still on appeal? The Supreme Court, led by Justice Romero, was faced with a situation where the accused, Rogelio Bayotas, passed away before his appeal could be resolved. This scenario raised important issues about the presumption of innocence and the finality of criminal liability. The court's ruling would go on to shape how similar cases are handled in the future, balancing the interests of justice and the rights of both the accused and the victims. In its decision, the Supreme Court made a pivotal ruling. When an accused dies before their appeal is resolved, both criminal liability and civil liability ex delicto, meaning liability arising directly from the crime, are extinguished. The reasoning is rooted in the principle that a conviction is not yet final while an appeal is pending, so the presumption of innocence still applies. As a result, the appeal becomes moot, and the case against the accused cannot proceed further. This doctrine ensures that no one is held criminally liable after death if their conviction was not yet final, upholding the fundamental rights of the accused even after their passing. However, the Bayotas doctrine does not mean that all civil claims vanish with the accused's death. The Supreme Court clarified that civil liability arising from other sources, such as contracts or quasi-delicts, can still be pursued against the deceased's estate. This distinction is crucial, as it allows victims or their families to seek redress through civil law, even if criminal proceedings can no longer continue. The doctrine thus strikes a balance. It respects the finality brought by death, while also protecting the rights of those harmed to pursue compensation through other legal avenues. This nuanced approach continues to influence Philippine law today.